My name is Allen. I've been at API for 5 years. I'm a manufacturing production engineer first. That's what I started out as. I produce and build the eye scans at a production level. But I am a new applications engineer, and I hope to see how it's utilized in the field and I guess better improve our products. What drew me to metrology at API was the innovations we make every day. I see the visions we have for all our products. I think what we do is important in metrology because we make unique solutions for all our customers. I am still excited about the iScan 3D. I watched it grow up from a small thing, and we are still working on improvements and innovations for the product, and I'm excited for all of them. Nothing beyond measure to me means everything is measurable. Nothing too big, nothing too small can be measured. All we need is to find the right tool. I am passionate about what I do at API because I get to see the real-life usage of how our products work in the real world and how our metrology impacts the real world.